is a recommendation from the Queen message of the day. You're looking to go buy a car or lease a car and it's your first time, that means you're a first time buyer. Whether it's a lease or whether it's a buy, it's your first time, right? Take a friend. You know how when you go to a game show and you got that, maybe that one phone call you can make, it's called phone a friend? Bring a friend when it comes to going to buy a car for the first time. Because you don't want to be taken advantage of. You want to take someone that has bought a car before, that has more experience buying cars or leasing cars than you do. I'm telling you, being 24 years in this business, if you're going to buy a car for the first time and you scared and you just very uncomfortable, take a friend. Have a friend help you, walk you through the process and help you make that decision. I'm telling you this is because there's too many salespeople out there that take advantage of customers where they're not honest with them. Well, let me just like this. We say, or some people say, oh, we see that fool coming, right? I don't say we see that fool coming, but people take advantage of people when they don't know how to do something, when they're green pea. It's just like, I remember when I first got in the car business 24 years ago. People took advantage of me. Salespeople, where I worked, you know what I mean? I got taken advantage of because I was a green pea. I didn't know anything. So if you go and look for a car, phone a friend or take a friend, phone a friend or take a friend. Oh, that's another great message for the day. A great nugget for you. All right.